We're approaching a juncture, and this is really a bifurcation. It's into possible futures. One of those futures will take us toward a centralized form of government. It's more or less like a hive. A certain cohort of elites are going to be in charge, and everybody else is going to be, they'll be the overclass, and everybody else will be a kind of underclass, which serves them and does pretty much what they're told. On the other hand, we can go in another direction, which is to distribute responsibility and decision-making power over everybody. And of course, that takes enhanced intelligence and responsibility. So there's a certain amount of, a certain challenge associated with this application. We have to make up our minds very quickly how we're going to do this. If we want to distribute responsibility, then the first thing that we need is a sound understanding of human nature and the nature of reality. And this is what I propose to bring. Fair problem.